Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell nearly 200 points on Tuesday as traders assessed the spike in oil prices and what that could mean for the global economy. In addition, the losses followed the latest job openings report. In February, the number of available positions dropped below 10 million for the first time in nearly 2 years, a sign that the once hot labour market supporting the economy is starting to slow. Overall, the Dow Jones dropped 0.59%, while the S&P 500 declined by 0.58%. Both indexes snapped a 4-day winning streak. The Nasdaq Composite slipped 0.52%. Markets have been resilient as of late, with the major averages rising even when faced by persistent inflation, a banking crisis, and higher rates. However, the latest report, in combination with investors digesting the news that OPEC Plus will be slashing output by 1.16 million barrels of oil per day, has caused more uncertainty. In response to the cuts to production, on Monday, West Texas Intermediate futures had their biggest daily gain in nearly a year. To crypto news, amidst the disastrous headlines about the global banking industry, the prices of major cryptocurrencies have been on a tearaway this year, with major currencies such as Bitcoin up almost 30% over the past month and 71% since the start of the year. Ether up 20% over the past month, and Elon Musk-backed Dogecoin up over 30% over the past month. The vulnerability of the traditional banking system has helped boost the case for crypto, which in part was why Bitcoin was created in the first place. To commodity news, overnight gold futures saw a nearly 2% rise and hit its highest level in over a year. The boost was attributed to weaker than expected jobs data from the Labor Department, which caused bond yields to fall and gold prices to rise. This marks the 5th positive session out of the last 6 for gold, which has gained 11.6% so far this year. Gold is often viewed as a hedge against inflation. The Biden administration has announced that they have allocated $450 million to promote clean energy projects on existing and former mining sites, with a focus on coal communities that can provide new economic opportunities. The administration has also announced incentives in the forms of billions of dollars in bonuses for clean energy developers to invest in energy communities impacted by the decline of the coal sector over the past decade. And Saudi Arabia's sovereign wealth fund, the Public Investment Fund, has invested in private equity and venture capital firms, including Blackstone and General Atlantic, through its Sanabil Investments arms. The fund, with assets of $600 billion, aims to make the kingdom's economy less dependent on oil revenues and attract foreign investment. It has made diverse investments ranging from electric vehicles, with a majority stake in Lucid, to video gaming and sports. Overnight, most S&P 500 sectors closed lower. Utilities was the best performer, whilst energy, which lost some of its gains made on Monday, and utilities were the biggest laggards. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.2% fall. Thank you for listening.